I'm sure you must have seen this kind of AI images all over social media. Some businesses have even gone as far as branding these images to fit their brand message, just like the one you are seeing on my screen. And I'm sure also you're wondering, how can you create this kind of images for your business or for your personal brand or whatever you need these AI images for. I'm making this video to help you use the tool or to show you how to make these AI videos. All right. Okay, so this is my first YouTube video, and I would love for you to support my dream of helping you to grow your business or your brand online by liking this video first of all and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's just get started. So the tool that is being used for this AI images to make these AI images, one of the tools actually is called the Microsoft Binge Image Creator, right? So this is what the interface looks like when you are already signed in. Okay, so but starting from the scratch for someone that has not used this tool before, you would need to either click the link I'm going to put in my description, or you just go on Google and search for Microsoft Binge Image Creator, and then you pick the first option. It's still going to bring you back to this same interface. So all you just need to do is join and create. That means you need to sign up, right? So just click join and create while waiting for it to load, and then you need to sign in. So of course, for you to use, it's a Microsoft tool. For you to use this tool, you need to sign up with your, so you need to sign up or you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. So Microsoft account are the accounts that have your name at outlook.com, right? For example. So if you don't have one, you can create one here. But if you already have, you can just input it here, and then you next, right? So once you're able to sign in, it's going to bring you to this interface. So let's get started. So let me explain. Guys, I'm going to tell you that this tool is very straightforward to use. It's a very simple tool to use, right? So now this 10 guy here, it's meant to be 14 or 10 or 12 in a day. So what that means is that you have the access to create 12 or 14, I've forgotten now, 12 or 14 of these AI images in a day. So I've used mine. I have 10 left. So, but that's the idea. And another thing I also need you to note is that you can sign in on either your laptop. I'm currently using my laptop, or with your mobile phone. Okay. So now the moment you sign in, it's all about prompts. So the images you can generate is endless, or they are endless, right? Of course, not endless, 14 in a day. But then the idea is the creativity behind the images you can generate are endless, right? So for example, let's say I want to, so you just need to give the AI a prompt. They call it a prompt of what you want it to create. So I'm going to ask the AI to create um, image of a beautiful African woman on break in an African attire in a village, African African village background, carrying a pot of water on her way to a mud house. So let's see what comes up. So you click enter, and then you see it's right here. It starts saying creating, right? So it's trying to generate your image for you. um while it's coming up, you see that this guy has reduced from 10 to 9. So by the time you exhaust your um unit in a day, I think you should still be able to create more images. I've never had to create more than what I needed. Okay, so those are the images that popped up. Yeah. So let's see them on a bigger screen. So this is the image that it generated. So I think I like this one more. Yeah. So I believe we get the idea, right? Okay, so let's generate another one just so you can get it. Yeah. So all you just need to do is delete the one that is already here, the prompt, the former prompt, and you write another prompt. So I'm just going to say create an image of a CEO, um, headshot or full image of a CEO of a company. Okay, full image stu- studio photo shoot image, full image of a light skinned African woman that is the CEO of a company called Grow with HO, wearing a branded shirt with the name of her company as the inscription, and with a pants, trousers and blazer. So guys, it's generating the image for us. Okay, so as you can see, you if you see the yep, here we go. I wanted to specify the hair, but then this is what it comes up with. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. Yep. So this is what it comes up with, which is very beautiful, by the way. So it's just as simple as that, guys. So this is one of the tools you can use to generate the AI image. Okay, so you just need to give it the prompts, just the same way we use our ChatGPT, Google Bard AI. It's the same way we are going to use this tool to generate image. So just give it the prompt of whatever image you want to see, and then it's going to generate the image for you. Okay. Okay, so this brings me to the end of the video. Just like I said, this is my first video. Please show me love. Like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm going to keep growing as I the more video I'm going to keep dropping, the more I'm going to keep getting better. You can expect um more for me to get better and better. Okay. All right, thank you guys so much. Bye.